What's up everybody? You might recognize this shot from my previous video in my April garden tour. Today I'm going to be showing a video about how I dealt with a slug problem that I had with my strawberries and also just some footage of my strawberry harvest. So enjoy. And the other day I started noticing stuff like this. Oh, that's gross. I got one on me. Yeah, the slugs, they love strawberries. And they're eating mine, which is really frustrating. So, I did this. So last year when I did this, I used light beer. This year, I'm using a little bit more hoppy IPA. I don't know what the slug's preference is, but we're gonna just pour some beer into a bowl here, take it outside. Slugs absolutely love this beer. So we're gonna just set it down here next to our strawberry plant. Wait for them to smell it. And I guess we'll give them a new beer every 2 or 3 days. And by the next day, obviously have caught dozens. I don't even know how many that is. It's kind of probably hard to see from the video, but slugs clearly love beer. And I'm gonna be putting a fresh beer out for them this morning because I want my strawberries. You can see some of these are looking pretty good, like ready to pick. Look at that there. That's nice. It's good quality. But this strawberry plant, if you look in the background of my peach tree blossom video, you can see it on the ground. When I bought it, it didn't have any strawberries on it, and now, you know, got a nice little crop coming up here. And so the life cycle for strawberries, they'll grow these white flowers, and in the center of the flower, that's where the fruit comes from. And I've got probably about a dozen out here, and I'd like to actually enjoy them and not just feed them to the slugs. So the wife and I were gonna enjoy some of our strawberries. This is the last of our reserves. But we noticed they're going bad. So I decided today was the right day to harvest our little strawberry plant. All right. So we're out in the garden today and we're gonna try to harvest some of these strawberries before the slugs get to all of them. They've already been running train on several of them, but I'm gonna even grab some of the ones that aren't fully ripe because I'm worried that if I don't move now, they're just not gonna get anything. Let's see how many we got here. Yeah, there's really a lot. This has turned out so great. I'm just grabbing the very red ones, and let me pan around and show you guys what I have left. All right, so we got 7 pretty good ones right there, and we got more on the way. This one will be ready probably next week. Over here, a couple more. This plant has already turned out to be pretty cool.